Hell yeah, Tuesday, what everything. I'm listening to fan. No one, not no mile. You can't place me out there. It's ping a dick to go through, so I don't bother with it. It's just, a testing spot for calling up phone out. It's like it fixes just a bitch. Because those screw holes with not the SWAT in kind. That they're somehow line them up and shit screwed in. It's just really fucking annoying. It's the full speed, which I'm happy about. Don't you know the best shape? Really alone, honestly. That's why I can't think I came with a into the schoolhouse work it, but I put that on. It doesn't everything I got. So I got family issue. So I got this one from Aiden Something Corner for free. It's really cool. I got for free. This one came off another unknown fan that I got from Aiden that I pulled out and showed. So yeah, this one don't match up a lot. The white thing they do for a sticky little bitch. It's an Incon shade from where actually no. It's came from some else. Both of them contender fucking shades. Yeah, so to the white off and the bush switch is on top of the fucking thing. So let's put this on speed for a while. And it has a death roll. I don't know. This is what looks really good. I ain't been going to not see him finish the fan, but more like kids are rusty and shit, which I don't mind on this one because this one does work. This is speed 3. Yeah, that's speed 3. Okay. No, it's on low. Sorry about that, guys. It's on medium low for some reason. I might have pulled it 3 times. You know how that goes when you have a fucking 4-speed thing. Let's apologize for the video. It's an original. I bought those off that other mission video, which wasn't original to it either, but So it's, well, it's classy. Crazy, sexy. Thank you. This as well. It's pretty good. Can't wait for much airflow, but it's good for winter time. Push the heat down and shit. It's good for a basement because basements are fucking cold and it's cold down here. Goddamn. It's not well for a minute. So it's put on medium low. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's medium low. What speed I will leave on, it's been on this speed for a while today. This not what running. It might want this to slice bit so I can feel it or see it on this speed with 10 moves a little bit. But yeah, it's a minimal. I also really like this speed. Take a little speed on the tissue, but let's mix to it. I pushed up today, pushed that G-band thingy. Sun on medium. So my getting goosebumps because it's cold. It's fucking It's a little wobble starts. Can't really tell from far away. No, I can now. It's not the fastest thing in the whole world, but it gives balls in and actually is meant to not go too fast. That looks good as right here, like I said, in this combination grass. Might look small in a while, you might say, but I actually like how small it is on it. Let me see. Pop out more some on them. I'm gonna go depth speed. Oh, see? 4 speeds. On the white balls like this, I didn't do nothing to it. The ball stuck in the bracket did break on me today. So it's in there, but it will turn if you try to turn it with the mouse. But I don't think that's why it's death level. And she draw like a full pussy ass bitch. We're off from there. She wobbles like hell. It's like that one white craft me. That's high. Imagine that in my aunt's house. Make her freak out. She want that bitch to come. There's something her apartment wall and she can't stand it. But me and Marco was stories. It's just like, get your fucking cold out. Man would never ever want to sleep under this. Dude, that much. It's with the light off. It's kind of cool with the light off. We'll just spin down. Let's up 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. Oh shit, bro. I'm gonna go lie. Put some on that bed. So, cause spin down first, spin out 5D. Honestly. I really like this, I'm so heck glad to have it. I got for it's all complete except for my black here. The scores work it down have to go longer to sugar up that. Yeah, it's actually a really good spin now. I got some clever fans because I'm going. Well, there you go, guys. It just stopped. And I hope you doing this video, like, share, and subscribe. And good motherfucking bye, bitch is.